Spell it, baby. What you see up there? What you see? T O T O W O. See the R. L. What's the last letter? What's that? A D.
Happy, happily, and family. Fun gardening.
Now, you all, don't give Marcus all the credit because I started this job yesterday where I had it level from like there on back, and I could tell Marcus came out a little bit further, but we are getting a 10 by 8 or 12 by 8, sorry, and I did this use the 12-step method, so we will be getting a proper measuring. Marcus, you're moving that, and I can tell that that side needs to be higher where you are, because
moving them out, getting all the big rocks and boulders out of it.
Well, I like to tell people what to do, so that's why I'm adding my 3 cents instead of 2. So here's some tools that you would need. We have some pressure treated wood, gravel, landscape fabric, and Roundup. You all, by the way, I called the city because I had all of this area all nice and pretty. We're in the south. I have cotton growing, mind you. Anyone wants to come and pick my cotton? Oh, but yeah, this was nice and pretty, but these kudzu vines have gotten out of control. So the city is going to have to come because this kudzu is the reason why 2 of my trees died. Of course, some plants. This is a gardening channel, so I have to, I'll be prejudiced if I don't buy plants. Right now we are leveling the ground, making sure they are even. If you have level ground, you should be able to take any type of timber and roll it across your ground to first make sure that it's level. Also, we went through with the level, which we will show you all, to level it with a tool or a leveler of some sorts. Do not use your eyes because after, sorry, I stay on a busy street. After watching several YouTube videos, using your eye will get you all wrong. Here's a side angle here. Leveling the ground. Lay down landscape fabric, add gravel. We will place a retaining wall afterwards behind, and we will find a solution to make sure that this does not topple over time. This is an example of composted leaves over time dirt. As you see at the top, the soil is darker than now you can tell the clay. This is what happens when leaves compact and amend your soil. You get two-tone dirt. Anyone who have been following me know that I have full Georgia clay. Marcus tends to work in flip-flops, which I do not recommend because you can twist your ankle. But you know, men gonna do what they gonna do.
The day we first met you, simple and sweet. Tears fall from every eye. It's life that we need. It's you. I'm falling so weak for you. And I hear your little cry, my soul softly weeps. Brings me to realize the life that we breathe in you. I'm falling so weak for you.
Legend, how you level the ground, baby? Show him how it's done.
My heart burns bright as you. Your mother's life is now anew. This I know, I'm high on you. Son, oh my son, I am falling so weak for you. You be my hero, I'll be your cheer. Chasing the dragons, roaring at fear. A princess to save when monsters appear. Embracing adventures, oh how I hold you near. I hold you near. Oh, my heart burns bright as you. Your mother's life is now anew. This I know.
All right, you want to overlap your fabric and then pour gravel.
Oh, this light that finds us here, it defines our love so clear.
Now, of course, ordering gravel is the best way, but I ordered this and didn't know they were going to deliver it the next day, so this is next day work. 10 bags of gravel, I probably needed 25.
Burns bright as you. Your mother's life is now anew. Yeah, this I know, I'm high on you. Son, oh my son, I am falling so weak for you.
I am Essie Happily. This is day one. Prepare my gravel bed for a 12 by 10 garden shed. Have a good night. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Legend, what are you doing? You're throwing the rocks that we just laid out, huh? Brilliant. Just brilliant.